सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को, बेल का बटन दबाना ना भूलें फॉर लेटेस्ट अपडेट। Hello everyone, this is Noman from Noman.in and today I am unboxing new Redmi Note 4. This is buy from Flipkart, worth rupees 13,000. This handset comes with Made in India logo and 64 GB RAM. And let me for specification of this product: Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor, 5.5 Full HD display, 13 MP camera with PADF, 5 megapixel front camera with beauty motion, fingerprint sensor, metal body, 14,100 mAh mini type D-line volume battery, and customized MIU system Android based OS. And let's find into the box. You can see packaging is very good, and inside the box let's into the box you find a handset. See, finally I open the handset into the box. See, 5.5 Full HD display. This is sensor, speakers and camera, 5 megapixel, navigator button, and inside the same ejector tool pins, and left side 13 megapixel camera with autofocus flash, a fingerprint sensor. You can see fingerprint sensor and some warnings while using safety, and MI logo. And left side you find a power on off key, volume rockers, and this is speaker went out, 3.5 mm jack while using charging, and speakers went out. Let's open, and other specification in the box you find specific documentation, some MI warranty cards, chargers. This is the document verifications. Here you can see for using MI4 guide, user guides. This is SAR value informations, and other one is charger. You can see MI charger, and inside the box you will find a USB cable. You can see the connector. Cable quality is very nice, you can see. And charger, I talk about charger. Charger is totally locked. This is charging dock and connecting the charging. This charger is support 5 volt 2 ampere, and this is Xiaomi branded charger. And that's open device, and there is nothing into the box. This one, you can see this one, same ejector pin inside the box by using. You can see I connect this pin and eject, and that tray was removed easily. This is SIM ejector device while using SIM card for 1 and 2. You can see SIM 1 and SIM 2, and also support microSD card. I insert the Geo SIM. I have one Geo SIM. I insert it. You see, it has a Geo SIM, and I insert from device. This ejector was totally closed, and let's open device. Now you can see, open this device, MI logo, see branding. There wait for a few seconds while installing apps. This phone may be take 15 to 20 minutes while first booting. After start device, you can see this is preloaded apps. Let's find about phone. You can see the specification of this product: Redmi Note 4, same things, and Android 6.0 MediaTek processor, RAM 4 GB, 64 GB storage, 6.0 MIU CPU, internal memory 64 GB, and specification, device name Redmi. Let's find the camera quality. Camera quality is very good. You see the snap of this product. You see, camera is very nice. Front camera is very good. Preloaded apps like as you can see, Facebook, Amazon Pay, and there is some Google apps. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you have any query, you can comment me in the comment section below. For more details, subscribe my channel Norman.in. If you have any other query, you can visit my website Norman.in. Thank you for watching this video. I meet you in next segment for new others unboxing. Thank you for watching this video.